You're over 60, or perhaps retirement is already here. You may have more freedom than you've had for years, but that freedom sometimes can be a little bit confusing. What do I do now? What matters most? And how can I turn my good intentions into real changes? Today I want to show you 2 simple coaching tools that I use in my practice. The first one is called Brighten Up Your Life, or what many people know as the Wheel of Life. The second is the Coaching Goals worksheet. Used together, they can help you see where you're at and decide where you want to go and choose the next step. Stick around till the end and I'll give you both these sheets as downloadables that you can print out. The first tool, the Brighten Your Life. The first thing we need to do is take a stock take of where we're at right now, as today. Not the life you think you should have, your real life. With the Brighten Up exercise, you look at 8 areas of life. Your worksheet uses a sunflower image, each petal representing an area that contributes to a happy and satisfying life. You score each one 1 to 10, which means that if you're very unhappy with that area, that's a 1. And 10 means that you couldn't be happier. Now the important thing is to use the first number that pops in your head. Do not choose the number you think it should be. It'll just be deceiving. If your health is a 6, write a 6. If your relationships are an 8, write an 8. If your sense of purpose is a 3, well, write it down as a 3. This is not a test, and nobody is grading you. It's simply a snapshot of where you are right now. Once you have completed the scores, pause and have a look at your sunflower. Where does your life need brightening up? What surprises you? What feels missing? Which area would you most like to improve? These questions matter because sometimes the lowest score is not only an important one. You may want to have a reasonable score in that area, but still feel the next exercise helps you notice that. The next question is, how can I make space for a change? Perhaps you need to get help from another person, maybe a coach. Perhaps you need to protect some time in your week. Perhaps you need to stop doing something that no longer serves you. Then write down one possible action for each area. Keep these actions practical. You want small actions, not too big. Trouble is with big actions, they result in more stress, which was what we're trying to avoid. If your social life is down, just maybe give someone a call. Give a friend a call. If your physical activity is a 5, maybe you just need to take a 10-minute walk every second day. Small actions are not unimportant. They are how a different life begins. But do not try and change everything at once. The exercise will ask you to choose one action that you will take in this week, in this next week. Just one. That turns reflection into movement. The second tool we use, the Coaching Goals worksheet. This tool takes a bigger picture and turns into clearer goals. The worksheet asks you to identify 3 primary goals. The question is, how specifically would you like you or your life to be different? There are goals such as, I want to be happier, is understandable, but is very difficult to measure. A clearer goal might be, I will make time for 2 activities each week that gives me more energy and enjoyment. Now you can tell whether you're moving forward. For each primary goal, complete this sentence. I will know I have succeeded when ... Then describe what the success looks like. Maybe you have a routine to follow. Maybe you are home for several nights for dinner this week. Maybe you have completed a project, joined a group, or started using a skill that you've had for many years. Worksheet also includes secondary goals. These are similar, but they're smaller things that may have been niggling at you, like clearing out the cupboard, updating your resume, organising your paperwork, calling someone you've been meaning to call. The important part of each goal is that it is distinct, stated in one sentence and is measurable. So instead of saying, I will get organised, say, I will sort one drawer out every Saturday for 4 weeks. That is specific, and you'll know when you've done it. So these 2 tools work together. Brighten Up Your Life helps you understand the balance of your life, and the coaching goals helps you to turn that understanding into measurable commitments. You do not have to redesign your entire future today. Start with an honest score. Ask yourself, what needs attention? Choose one action for the next 7 days. Then use that experience to shape a clearer goal. Let me know in the comments below, which area of your life would you like to most brighten up? And what's one action you could take this week? If you do go to the description, there's a link there for my free community where you'll find the downloadable worksheets. Next time, we'll dive into another practical way of designing your life. But until next time, you have a great day.